Hello everyone, welcome to SCI-EASE. In this video, which is the last video of this chapter, I will tell you about corrosion of metals. In chemical reaction chapter, we discussed about this. What is corrosion? I will repeat. The eating away of the metals by the action of air, moisture or chemicals such as acids on their surface. First is rusting of iron. How rusting takes place? Rusting takes place when the iron object is kept in air and moisture. Both the conditions, they are necessary. Only air or only moisture will not result in rusting. Second is corrosion of silver. You know that silver is unreactive metal. It has no reaction with air. But a very small amount, in traces you can say, very small amount of hydrogen sulfide present in air reacts with the silver and it will, you can say, tarnish silver. This is a term used, tarnishing of silver. Silver will become black. Your ornaments, they become black after some time. Why? This is due to the formation of silver sulfide. Now come to the corrosion of copper. You know that copper has a shiny brown color, reddish brown color, but it reacts with the moisture present in air, or you can say it reacts with moist carbon dioxide in air and a green coating that is formed. And this green coating is due to basic copper carbonate. What is basic copper carbonate? It is a mixture of copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. So copper will become dull and it will form a green coating over it. Sometimes we wear copper rings and after some days we remove our ring, there is green color on our skin. This is due to the basic copper carbonate. Next is corrosion of aluminium. Aluminium utensils, you know, that they become dull after use. Why they become dull? They become dull due to the formation of a dull layer of aluminium oxide on exposure to moist air. But one very important thing, that this layer of aluminium oxide, it acts as a protective layer for the metal which is lying underneath. The metal which is underneath, that will not be affected. So this is a protective layer, you can say, of aluminium oxide. So some metals, they do not corrode like gold, platinum. They are the noble metals, you can say, they do not corrode. They don't have any reaction with air, water or acids. They remain as it is for the years together. Their color, that will not change. Now, while doing rusting, what are the methods which prevent rusting? I want to tell you. I've already told you in the chemical reaction chapter. Painting, galvanization by zinc, applying Vaseline, electroplating, and alloying. Now I want to tell you about the alloying part. What are alloys? Alloys are the homogeneous mixture of metals with other metals or metals with non-metals. I will give you some examples. Definition is asked sometimes, what are alloys? And give the composition of brass, bronze, steel, stainless steel, etc. So, first alloy, that is a steel. Steel is a mixture of, homogeneous mixture of iron plus 0.5% carbon. Steel do not get rusted. Due to this alloy of iron, it will not rust. In the same way, stainless steel, here 18% nickel and chromium, that is added to iron. The main component, that is iron. First that is melted, the main component, and then these the other components, they are added to it. Now come to the alloys of copper. Very important two alloys, brass and bronze. Brass is the mixture of copper and zinc. Here no S, the component is with Z. Here no Z, the component is with Z. Bronze, here Z, but the component is not with Z. So copper plus tin. Steel, small name, only two components. Stainless steel, big name, three components. These are the tips I used to give to students. Solder, it is a mixture of lead and tin. Now I want to tell you about the alloy of gold. Gold is, pure gold is 24 carats. These are the units. 24 carats can't be used for making ornaments. That is very soft. So, little amount, small amount of silver or copper is added to gold to make it 22 carat. 22 carat gold. That is used for making ornaments. So these are the alloys of different metals. This is a use also. Duralumin, that is the alloy of aluminium. There magnesium, manganese, copper, that is added to it in small amount. So many alloys are there. You should memorize the definition and these alloys. Now with this, corrosion part is over. Only I want to tell you uses of metals and non-metals. Through this entire journey, we come across the uses also. I've told you iron, that is a backbone of industry, where it is used in making buildings, bridges, car bodies, truck bodies, etc., machines. In the same way, copper, aluminium, they are used in wiring, electrical wiring, making cable wires, good conductor of heat and electricity. Then silver, gold, platinum, diamond, they are used for making ornaments. Diamond is a non-metal. And then tin, that is also very important. Tungsten, high tensile strength. Bullets, guns, etc. So many things. In your home also, lot of things, they are made up of these metals only. All machines. Now come to non-metals. Non-metals, carbon, that is very, very important. I have told you that coke, one of the allotropic form of carbon, that is used as a reducing agent. Otherwise also graphite, diamond, used for drilling purpose, for cutting glasses, etc. So that is also very important. Phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen. Oxygen we respire. It is used for burning. It's used for breathing. Nitrogen, that is in the atmosphere, main component in air. And also it is used for packaging. Aluminium also used for packaging. So this is all about the uses of metals and non-metals. You can write. So with this, a very important chapter of chemistry, metals and non-metals, that is completed. Thank you.